Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're on a little mission. We're headed down to Woodstock, a local town near ours, to take the truck down to get a muffler put on. Taking buddy Corey here with us to do a little filming.
Yeah. Anyway, this happened a few days ago. His plan was to put a muffler on, and I talked him into putting a straight pipe on. Anyway, he was quite concerned it was going to be quite loud. Anyways, after they did it, when they started it up in the shop, it was quite loud, and it didn't actually sound all that good. You should have seen the look on his face. If looks could kill, I'd probably been dead right there. But I think you like it now, don't you?
Well, that's all right. I can live with it, I guess.
Yeah. It's a lot better for the channel because you can hear it now when he runs a quarter mile. You can hear it when it's gone by, whereas before, all you could hear is tire noise and the wind. That's about all you could hear. It never made no exhaust noise, but now it sounds pretty good in my opinion. But anyways, we won't tell you what it run. It actually set that's the fastest quarter mile you run with it, ain't it?
Yeah, we did a before and after quarter mile time just to see what supposedly the new muffler was going to do for it, but actually we found out what the straight pipe did for it. But
yeah,
we'll post them times later on in the video.
Yeah. And
it's got a little drone, maybe around 100 kilometers an hour, but we don't drive that speed much anyway, so.
Oh, and we also noticed something too, was the Y pipe.
Yes. Right after the manifold comes down, the driver's side crosses over to the passenger side. It's all flattened out big time.
Yeah.
Just wondering if any of you guys out there have tried putting something else in there so it'd flow a little better. Some people say it flows just as much, but there's no way possible it can flow just as much. It's all squashed in like that. So
yeah, I seen it. They took me in the shop and showed me, and so my guess is there's power to be had right there. But I mean, if we was able to gain, yeah, we can tell them we gained a 10th, wasn't it? A little over a 10th.
We gained at least a 10th.
Yeah,
that's over my best time last year. Yeah. Right now we're still on winter gas where we live. And we only have 91 octane too, is another thing.
Yeah.
For you guys down south that's so lucky to get 93. But
if you gain a 10th on just changing out the muffler, I think you'd get some pretty good gains by changing out the Y pipe too. Before it's all over with, we'll probably have long tubes on it and dual exhaust anyway, won't we?
Well, it's looking that way.
Anyway, anything else you want to say?
Just depends on if there's a fast forward in the area that pushes me a little harder.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I think that's about it. Hope you enjoy the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. You look like you got something to say.
Well, I was just going to mention that they wouldn't let us in the shop to film it, but
oh yeah.
Also, we'd like to give a shout out to Wonder Muffler in Woodstock for helping us out. So
yeah. That's it. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoy the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Okay, guys, we're going to run a quick quarter mile here just to get a before and after the muffler change. Around a 1390. Hey guys, we're here in Woodstock at Wonder Muffler. Stuntman Mike wanted to get a high flow muffler put on his 2021 Trail Boss. I talked him into putting a straight pipe instead of a muffler, so hopefully it won't be too loud, because that's one of the things he was worried about. But so if it's too loud, I could be in trouble. Okay guys, we're going to try her now with the new muffler on her.
There's a car coming, so whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
Hey,
I gotta reset, yeah.
So you go.
Go. Okay guys, now we get the after the straight pipe. About you, but that sounds a lot better to me.